there! Thanks for tuning in to this Canva Design School course, Meet Canva's Visual Suite. I'm Kate, Head of Global Brand Partnerships and Design School. Do you have a big idea you want to bring to life? A creative side hustle? A new classroom activity? Whatever you're working on, it likely calls for a mix of formats, from presentations to videos, documents to social posts. Canva's Visual Suite brings all of your creative and productivity tools together into one place so that you can design, write, plan and publish without switching platforms. You can collaborate in real time and move seamlessly between formats, all within a single design experience. By the end of this course, you'll be confident in creating anything, all in one platform. So let's get started. Each lesson will cover a different design type that together form Canva's Visual Suite. I'll guide you through the whole range, from docs and sheets, to presentations, videos, social posts, and more. With everything in one place, you can write a brief, brainstorm, present and pitch, and design eye-catching assets, all without missing a beat. One of the most powerful parts of Canva's Visual Suite, it's built with a whole range of AI tools to help you move faster and create with confidence, no matter the format. Whether you're a teacher, entrepreneur, social media whiz, or marketing manager, you can save time, stay creative, and do more of what you love, from first thought to final share. At the end of this course, you can test your knowledge with a multiple choice quiz. You'll earn a certificate to show the world you're an expert in Canva's Visual Suite. If you're brand new to Canva, you may want to check out our other course, Canva Essentials. But if you're ready to get started, click next and we'll get into it. Let's meet Canva's Visual Suite.